Would you believe that by simply watching ads on this fresh website, you can earn quite a bit? Watching a single ad can bag you $44, while 2 ads are worth roughly $8. Imagine watching 10 of these ads and you'll pocket $40 each time. It's a cycle that keeps on giving. Some people personally already earned around $800 just by dedicating some time to watch these advertisements on this newly launched platform. It's an effortless way to earn some extra cash. Hello and welcome to the Money Hustle, where earning money online is made easy. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. As a result, if you find this video to be useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you may be the first to watch the latest videos and apply the new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. All right, to get started, visit this website I'm about to introduce. I'll walk you through how it operates and how you can pocket $4 by simply watching an ad. Later on, I'll also guide you on automating the process so you can earn from others watching those ads. Check out the cash out section and you'll notice they offer various payment methods. You can cash out using PayPal, Skrill, crypto, or directly to your bank account. What's convenient is the low withdrawal minimum of only 50 cents, a sum you can easily accumulate. This website offers various ways to make money online, and one of those methods involves watching ads. Amidst the different money-making options available here, our focus today will solely be on earning through ad watching. However, the most lucrative section is where you get paid to watch ads. To access this, click on Earn Points and then head to Quick Points. Choose the option that prompts you to click on URLs for easy points. This selection will lead you to another page where you can start watching ads to earn. Now what you need to do is click on the green button labeled View, then watch a quick advertisement. Points will accumulate in your account and you can later convert these into real money. For instance, one ad might earn you 50 points, another 100 points, and so forth. New ads become available every 24 hours for you to watch and earn points from. Importantly, there's no need to download anything. Just watch the ads and you're done. Watching all of these ads usually takes around 15 to 25 minutes. Now, let's delve into the next part of the video, which focuses on referrals. I'll demonstrate how you can earn money when others click on these buttons and watch the ads, and you'll receive a share of their earnings. This is a crucial aspect and a method I personally use to make money on this website. Before we dive into that, let me quickly guide you to another section where you can earn points simply by watching ads. Click on Featured Offers this time. Now you can find here different types of offers, but sometimes you can also find ads that you can watch. So now, let's go back to the homepage to show you how referrals work. If you scroll down here, you will see that they have a referral program. Just hit this orange box where it says See Your Referrals and it will then take you to this page. As you can see, it says Refer and Get Paid. Invite your friends and tell them how easy it is to earn online. Every person that you invite to the website, you will earn 15% commission from their earnings. So for example, if someone earns $100, you will get $15. If someone earns $11,000, you will get $150 and so on. You literally have to do no work except for inviting them to the website. By the way, this website is called getpaid.com. Now I'll share my own strategy on how I gain thousands of referrals every single day completely for free. You can start doing it today. So the first thing you want to do is click here to copy your referral link. Now, before we continue, if you're still watching, let me know what country you're from. Also, don't forget to like the video. After you copy the link, the next step is to head over to Facebook. Then go to the search bar and type in Make Money Online. Now scroll down and select groups and then opt for public groups as they allow you to join without waiting for acceptance. As you can see, there are numerous Make Money Online groups. Let's click on one like this example. First, ensure the group has many members. The larger, the better. Also, check for good engagement, like comments and likes. However, avoid spamming your link like others are doing. Instead, go to create a post and write something like, I recently discovered a new website that allows you to earn money by watching ads. Type info if you want me to send you details. This approach is more effective and respectful in these groups. However, that's just one way to approach it. You can be creative and make your message even more engaging. This method is quite effective. Once they respond to your post, you can then share your referral link privately. To boost engagement, you might consider attaching an image showing proof of payment, like what others are doing here. This could attract more people to join through your link, ultimately earning you more money. This approach cleverly brings people to your referral link without simply spamming it in groups, which could lead to being banned. This was the easiest way to get referrals. However, here's another crucial tip. When you message people, make sure to follow up and answer their questions. This helps them understand how to use the website. Also, I've found another method I prefer even more than Facebook, and that's Quora.com. Here on Quora, individuals seek answers to a variety of questions across different topics. Interestingly, this aligns perfectly with our strategy, focusing on providing helpful responses to people's inquiries. Essentially, what you need to do is enter "Make Money Online" in the search bar. This action will present you with numerous questions from people looking for guidance on how to earn money on the internet. All you need to do is keep responding to everyone's questions and introduce them to the website, sharing your referral link in your answers. But remember, don't simply flood links without giving helpful responses. That could lead to your account being shut down. Always aim to offer valuable information in your answers before including your referral link. What's great about Quora is that your responses can also appear on Google, meaning the effort you put in stays and keeps generating income continuously. So here's the deal. The more questions you answer and the more Facebook posts you make, the better your chance to earn more money. Try to engage as often as possible to maximize your earnings. Before we wrap up, I've got a bonus for you. I'll be sharing even more tips on how to boost your earnings. One avenue to explore is dropshipping. It involves running an online store where you sell products without physically stocking inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, the item is shipped directly from the supplier to them. This way, you avoid inventory management hassles. Another opportunity lies in content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or blogging allow you to create engaging content on topics you're passionate about. You can monetize this content through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Consider creating online courses or ebooks if you possess expertise in a particular field. Platforms such as Udemy, Teachable, or Amazon Kindle. Direct publishing provide a marketplace to sell your educational content. Offering social media management services is another way to earn. Businesses often seek individuals who can enhance their online presence by managing their social media accounts effectively. For those who are detail-oriented, data entry or transcription roles available on freelance platforms might be an option. These tasks could involve transcribing audio files or entering data into spreadsheets. Lastly, consider participating in online surveys or market research studies offered by various companies. Websites like Swagbucks or survey panels often reward users for sharing their opinions and insights. Remember, everything I've shared in this video won't cost you a cent. It's all free, and the best part, it works no matter where you are in the world. So, after this, check out the next video where you'll discover how to earn by simply listening to music. Don't miss out. And hey, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a bunch for watching. See you next time.